Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this posting by Sawyer's. Breaking! Tesla has launched a program that will let people take early delivery of a Foundation Series Cybertruck if they were a Tesla shareholders on February 28, 2021 and own at least 500 shares of Tesla shares on February 29, 2024. So, and here is the eligibility. Okay, so we're going to go over one by one. So early Cybertruck delivery for long-term Tesla shareholders. So so if you're a shareholder of Tesla, here Elon's going to give you a chance, well, at least you have to have at least 500 shares of Tesla. And if you place the order by March 22nd, 2024, then you will get a chance to get your Cybertruck early. All right, so sign up by Friday, March 22nd, 2024, 11:59 p.m. Central Time to take early delivery of a Foundation Series Cybertruck. If confirmed, you will receive an email with additional details prior to the delivery. This program is limited to one reservation per customer and currently available only in the US and Canada. So here is the requirements right here. Number one, the Cybertruck reservations must be in the participant's name and have been made prior to March 1st, 2024. The participant has not yet taken delivery of a Cybertruck. So I guess only one Cybertruck. Each participant must provide a brokerage statement showing that you own Tesla shares on February 28th, 2021 and own at least 500 Tesla shares on February 29th, 2024. Number four, the brokerage statements for February 29, 2024 must show that you own at least 50% of the Tesla shares that you own on February 28, 2021. And last but not least, brokerage statements providing shareholdings must clearly show first and last name, statement, date, and Tesla shares. All the other information may be redacted. So again, Tesla is trying to pushing out the Cybertruck, and one of the ways is, to reward the Tesla shareholders. I'm not sure how many Tesla shareholders out there are holding more than 500 and that are interested in the Cybertrucks. But if they are, this is a good chance for them to get the Cybertrucks early. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But then take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.